Many companies have fixed assets, and PSCs can handle those fixed assets, and with brief details of each asset being held in the system. Here we're looking at a asset that is represented by three tables. It gives us the purchase cost, the accumulated depreciation to date, and thus the net book value. We set the purchase date, and then we can set when depreciation starts and when depreciation ends. And then if it is disposed of, we can mark it as such here by going through a small procedure to write the asset off for an amount received and clear it out of the system. We also assign accounts to the asset. So for example, here we've got fixtures and fittings, and the accumulated depreciation accounts, the depreciation charge accounts, and the asset sale disposal accounts. So here, for example, we can assign the depreciation to a department under the analysis codes 1, 2 and 3, so that we can track depreciation within the P&L. If you have documents external to the system that support the purchase of the asset or details of the assets, you can associate them here. Now what we're going to look at, having got these few assets in the system, is to post depreciation related to these assets. So all you have to do is set a date up to which depreciation will be charged, and it will take the depreciation that has already been posted and take that off a depreciation calculated from the start date up to this date, so that the system is always in catch-up, so that if there's an error in a previous posting, the next posting will automatically correct it. So if we click here, it asks for confirmation and then gives us the journal that is produced, and here we can see that the accumulated depreciation values have changed because of this journal, which adds depreciation for each asset in turn. If we look at the reports supporting the assets, we can review the assets by account to ensure that the current ledger balance on the account agrees with the detail held in the asset system. We also have labels on assets in case you want to print a label to attach to the physical asset, so that you can use that detail when you come to sell the asset in some years down the line.